What if everything we thought we knew about the universe is wrong? What if dark energy, the mysterious force pushing the universe apart, isn't a force at all, but just gravity acting differently? Back in 1998, scientists were shocked. The universe wasn't just expanding. It was speeding up. To explain this, they came up with dark energy, something invisible that makes up 70% of the universe. The most popular idea: the cosmological constant, a type of dark energy that never changes. This became part of the standard model of the universe, called lambda CDM. But now, a new idea is shaking things up. A physicist named Juri Smirnov says, maybe gravity isn't what we think it is. In Einstein's theory, gravity is carried by a particle called the graviton and it's massless. But Smirnov asks, what if the graviton has a tiny mass? This idea is called massive gravity, and it leads to something wild called Bigravity, where two gravitational fields working together. And guess what? This setup acts just like dark energy, but it changes over time. In this theory, dark energy isn't constant. It changes, and it fits the data better than the old model. Smirnov's model matches data from DESI, supernovae, and the early universe better than ever before. And the graviton's mass: just 510 to the power minus 33 electron volts, which is so small that it only affects the universe at huge distances. Best part: this theory makes a prediction a dip in dark energy at a redshift of 2.5, and new telescopes like Euclid and Rubin might detect it soon. If true, this changes everything. Dark energy might just be gravity whispering a cosmic secret.